Hey everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I'm a law student of IME Law College and I'm a legal intern in Lexis& Company. So the topic is legal awareness to the nation. Indian being a vast country with a quite number of 69.3% of literacy, which would reach the club 100% literate country is coming in coming year. So, but along with literacy, people need to be legally aware about our laws. Many people think that they are aware about the laws and their legal remedies, but are unaware about their basic and legal rights. So, thereby we violate the law regardless of knowing the legality of ignoratia juris non execute. So, mean ignorance of law is not an excuse, a legal principle, which means that a person who is unaware cannot escape the liability for violating the law. So, the sub hindrances to legal aid in India is lacking legal awareness amongst the people. There are different organization authorities like National Legal Services Authority, which has been designed by to the spread legal literacy among the nations. Section 12 of the Legal Services Authority Act 1987 prescribed the criteria for giving legal prescribed to the eligible person who all are entitled to free legal aid. Even today, many people settle for the injustice because they can't afford legal defenses. Now, uh, the concept of legal aid is made to provide access of legal education to poor and literate people. Free legal aid is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed to all the citizens of country. And now, obscene notwithstanding to the act, no person shall be a host of a party as serve liquor to more than 10 people without legal sanction, as and breach of session will be registered as a crime offence against host and liquor to be seized. No person shall open, retain, or use any place as common drinking house. Now the another one case which comes here, which is Bhairam Khusredra Pechaka versus State of Maharashtra, AIR 1955 SC 123. This is an appeal by the special leave from a judgment of the High Court of the Judicature at Bombay, reserving the order of acquittal passed in favor of the appellant by the Court of the Presidency Magistrate. Um, Bombay convicting him of an offence under Section 66 Clause B of the Bombay Prohibition Act 1949, where appellant was sentenced to the month of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of rupees 500 for consuming illegal alcohol. Now the adoption subheading of this topic is people find it easy to adopt a child, but they are unaware about its legal process. Section 11 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act states the eligibility for adoption. For valid adoption, a single man is not eligible for adopting a child until he attained the age of 21 years or older, but a single woman can adopt a child of any gender. A minimum age difference of 21 between the single mother and the adopted child is required that they are of opposite sex. So, a single parent should be between 40 to 30 to 45 a year of age if he or she wishes to adopt a child to the age group of 0 to 3 year. Now the another one subheading finding theft by finding. In India, you are liable to theft by finding if you are picking up lost money from a street. As per Quasi Contract Section 71 under Indian Contract Act 1872, if a person finds goods that belongs to someone else and takes them into custody, nemo dat quod non habeat, meaning of this maxim is principle is no one given what they do not have. So rule or principle in entrance, he has the adhere to the following responsibility. First one is take care of the goods as a person of regular prudence. Second one is no right to appropriate to the goods, and the third one is restored the good to the owner. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much listening me. Like, comment and share.